The moment you open your eyes, your brain runs a pre-installed software. Automatically, without thinking, your hand reaches for your smartphone. And just like that, you hand over the source code of your day to an algorithm. You didn't choose your morning routine. A corporation chose it for you. Welcome to the autopilot loop, a cycle where you are just a passenger. By 9 a.m., you are already mentally exhausted without doing any real work. Your brain is trapped in a messy cloud of thoughts, notifications, and anxiety. But what if you could forcefully override this system? What if you could reprogram your brain in exactly 5 minutes? To understand how, we have to look at your brain's default mode network. This is the network that triggers when you are doing absolutely nothing. It replays past mistakes, visualizes future anxieties, and loops negativity. It is a biological simulation designed for survival, not your happiness. And checking your phone multiplies this network's power by 10. Every time you scroll, you get a microdose of instant gratification. Your brain releases dopamine, the molecule of desire and anticipation. But what goes up must come down. The baseline crashes. This sudden drop creates an invisible state of internal friction. You become restless, irritable, and completely unfocused. This is exactly why you experience the famous 5 p.m. crash. Your mental battery is entirely drained before the day is even over. You try to fix it by drinking more coffee or eating sugary snacks. But that only creates a fake spike followed by a worse crash. You are trapped in a biological simulator controlled by chemistry. To break out, you need to understand the cortisol awakening response. In the morning, your body naturally spikes cortisol to wake you up. If you add digital stress to this spike, your baseline breaks. Your nervous system gets hijacked before you even brush your teeth. Here is the exact step-by-step blueprint to override the code. Step 1. The 30-minute no-screen rule. No exceptions. When you wake up, keep your phone in an entirely different room. Force your brain to exist in physical reality before entering the digital world. Step 2. Instant hydration. To flush out metabolic waste, your brain shrinks when dehydrated overnight, increasing friction. Drinking water immediately wakes up your internal organs. Step 3. The 2-minute brain dump on a physical piece of paper. Do not type this on a laptop. Use a real pen. Write down every single worry, task, or random thought in your head. Step 4. Strategic boredom. For exactly 60 seconds. Look at a blank wall. Do not listen to music. Do not look at text. Allow your dopamine receptors to fully recalibrate to 0. This temporary boredom makes difficult tasks look incredibly attractive later. Your brain will crave execution instead of quick digital hits. Step 5. Define your single crucial move for the entire day. Not 10 tasks, not 5. Just one single thing that moves the needle. Write it down in massive bold capital letters. This gives your focus a laser-targeted direction for the day. Now, you're ready to execute the identity shift. Most people fail because they try to change their habits first. But habits are just the output of your internal identity software. If you view yourself as a lazy person, you will always loop back to laziness. You must forcefully rewrite the narrative of who you are. Identity is built through an accumulation of small proof. Every time you execute your morning routine, you cast a vote for the version of you that is disciplined and unstoppable. You don't need willpower. You just need clear, undeniable proof. When your brain sees 7 days of consecutive wins, the software updates. The autopilot loop is permanently broken and replaced. You are no longer reacting to what the world throws at you. You are actively dictating the terms of your own reality. This is how true mental freedom is claimed in the modern age. Tomorrow morning, the test begins all over again. Your phone will be waiting for you, loaded with dopamine traps. The simulation will try its best to pull you back into the loop. But now, you hold the key to the entire source code. You know exactly how to execute the override command. Stop reacting to the simulation. Start creating it. Hit subscribe to claim your mind and override your autopilot today.